Remind me of Adam and Eve.
Harvest the Colors of Life collection. The designer has created special prints from cashew as an inspiration, and of course she's letting us know how significant the cashew fruit is to our culture, to the land, and to all of us. The nuts, the leaves, the whole tree is also so very important. As you can see, all the brands around the venue, just look to your left and right, have so much of the cashew imprinted on them. We're really celebrating the cashew.
Yes. And there was a special artist who is a part of this, who was supposed to be present here but could not make it today.
Yes, she couldn't. We're celebrating, and her name is Leanne. Leanne was supposed to be here. She flew all the way from Sweden and could not be a part because she had to go back and the dates. But we've got her in the outfits in an image, and she sent a lovely song that she made. And Philu wanted to start this fashion show with her voice and her pictures. Might I want to leave with you that this is going to be a juicy collection. Are you excited about that?
Yeah.
Juicy? Sensational?
I think, no, my side is more ready. What do you say, guys? Make some noise!
Okay, now he's got his side, I need to have my side. Are you ready?
No.
People at the back, make some noise. Are you ready?
No,
They're screaming, you're not. People, make some noise. Thank you. I think they got some. No.
We got it.
They got some. You're gonna do better than that. Can I hear you make some noise? I'll live with that, Alfie. I'll live with that.
Stall for this. This you have.
Yes.
Roll the song.
Roll the song. Can you have the song played out? All right.
No, but you come first, Tom.
Yeah, I'll come.
Perfect.
You'll enjoy.
Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Harvest the Colors of Life by Philu Martins.
I'll see you later.
Well, I think the models are getting ready, but we're going to entertain the models gathered here. All right, we've got more time with you. I like this. I would not complain. How many of you have the Burra app on you? Hands up in the air. Open your app.
What? Only one? Okay.
Open the app.
Burra.
Okay.
It's like Urak with a B without the K. Correct?
What complication, Alfie. Life.
You got to blend in the festival, right? So
Okay, all right. First things first. Can you find the IHCL stall on that app? So they've got a maps feature. You open the maps
pinch
and you
zoom.
get there.
Pinch and zoom.
Pinch and zoom.
On the app. Madam, आपको उंगली का इस्तेमाल करना पड़ेगा. You have to pinch and zoom. Burra. You can download.
We got the guy going here, 4-8 fastest fingers first. Anybody else?
BURRAA. It's available on Play Store. It's free. Download it. It has fantastic information. And it has all that's happened and is going to happen tonight. And we're giving out prizes. So engage with the app and win some amazing prizes. Come
We're
on,
still
people.
trying to find one person in the making. We also have you where you can go ahead and take a picture of a QR code, scan a QR code, put your selfie in there, and once you do that, your pictures from the festival will show up right on your phone. That is possible too. As you can see, we want to really technologically advance this event.
Fantastic. Did you tell them about the scanning that...
I just did.
Oh, you did? Oh, did you all scan? No. Where is the QR code?
All the QR codes are put to the right and left of the stage. You will find them. It says scan the QR code and put it there. Can you show IHCL on the... Is that IHCL? What's your name, dear friend? Mohsin? Alright, Mohsin, you win yourself a prize. I'm going to go ahead and collect it and see you in front over there. Enjoy the fashion show and we'll give you your prize after that. Stay right there.
Mohsin, enjoy the prize and sin no more.
He's already got the prize. Next one, my friend. Next one. Alright? Harvest the colors of life, ladies and gentlemen. We're good to go. There we are. Alfie, I'm taking Alfie backstage to really enjoy this fashion show.
अरे हथकड़ी तो निकाल यार.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together and make some noise for Philu Martins and her collection.
Time to shake a leg and sing it. Ani mau tu saya nama Itlo asyelo, itlo labung namakai, kurtung hazul munya tolo, moka muna puntuka, mutuzo itlo asyelo, itlo labung namakai, kurtung hazul munya tolo, moka muna puntuka. Suki
Beautiful. Beautiful, ladies and gentlemen, this is Feel Martin's The Harvest of Colors of Life collection. The color, the fabric, the print, and here is your designer, Feel Martin. Thank you for putting your hands together, staying in there and watching the magic unfold. Beautiful. Ladies and gentlemen, make everybody hands together for a lovely model and of course the collection of Harvest of Colors of Life by Philo Martins. I would like to give an honorable mention to Monty Sally, who's right there. The joy of staying here. We love you. Thank you, by the way, for really coming in and showing up. Philo has someone to call on stage.
It's really lovely. You're so loyal to the Goans and to Goa. Thank you. In spite of the rains, you all made it to stand there and watch the show. I am really feeling blessed, humble. Thank you all. Love you, Goa. And now, the success behind this is the greatest lady who gives all sorts of encouragement to Goans, and she really deserves prayers, love, and a big clap to Dr. Divya Rani. Please come up on stage with your team.
The outfits right there again, Philo Martin. Martins. The entire team is dressed in the colors. By the way, we've got everything from a sari to a beach wear to menswear to kids wear in the inspiration of the Cashew Goa Fest 2025 Season 3. Big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for the vision and of course the execution of this lovely idea. Put your hands a little louder. You can make some noise if you've got umbrellas in your hands. To Mrs. Ronnie and Philu Martins and the team for putting this together. Put your hands together. You can put your hands together too. You did so well. Thank you.
And thank you for the showers of blessings.
Lovely. Ma'am, the camera crew wants you to stand here with all of them so they can get a shot of everybody in one frame. Ladies, get ready. Can we make some place in the center, please? Can we just move a little to the right and left, make some place in the center? Beautiful. Lovely. All right, to celebrating Goa, the spirit of colors and togetherness. Put your hands together, make some noise. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Hip hip, hooray, yes. No, yes. While we want to ask, and you gathered here, ma'am, we want to ask you, you got the fashion show to come to be, you called Philu. Is this what you envisioned to be the wear, the attire? We've got everything, as I said, from a sari to beach wear. Is this what you thought of?
Absolutely, and I think only Philu can do that, do this, and she is really beyond our expectations, and this is exactly what Goa is all about, and the perfect outfits for our Goan weather for the summers, and I think only she could have done this and pulled this off so beautifully. It's so elegant and just what Philu can do. And I've known Philu for so many years, and I think she just gets better with age.
Thank you so very much. Thank you to the team. Well, by the way, thank you for saying that you stayed through the rain. We clap for you. Thank you for really showing up. All right, thank you. One big yes.
The rains were actually showers of blessings for Philu because the rains have stopped now. So the party continues.
The party always continues. We've got prizes to give away for all of you who are standing up front.
That's the K-47. It's a gun of fun.
We are ready.
So thank you, ma'am. Well, what we're going to do is
We are ready not for war but for love. Because there's love feelings you don't have.
so what Philu's trying to say, I'll get Philu to come forward. Philu, can we have you? Ma'am, thank you so much. We'll hold you right there. Philu, come on here. What she's got in her hand is a K-47. Everybody, can I have your eyes over to that stall, the Big Boss stall or the Madame Rosa stall? Mac, are you around? Can you wave your hand? You're here, right here. They're celebrating 50 years of going ahead and celebrating this lovely festival. They also, by the way, anybody from the armed forces here, can you show your hands? You are on the house today at Madame Rosa, and in that joy, they have launched this K-47, and you're going to go ahead there and find out more. Please do that.
And we are going to shoot some positive energy to all of you.
All right, there goes Philu. Thank you, Philu. And of course, Madame Rosa. We'll tell you more about it shortly. That's the fashion show. We'll tell you more. Thank you so much, ladies. Thank you. Ma'am, we'd request you to stay back because we've got something for you. Can we have the Tinto representative to come forward? There we go. Ma'am, from all the stalls, and especially from Tinto, this is a token of appreciation to putting this festival together, to envisioning this. Even with the delays, with the postponement, you made it happen. Thank you. And the entire Forest Department Corporation. Can we hear a big round of applause for them, by the way? Can we hear a big round of applause for the Forest Department? The girls are having fun. Don't worry, we've got them covered. Thank you. All right, Alfie. I missed you.
Yes. Okay, while you guys have been busy getting wet, I've been collecting some prizes. Is there any person here who's totally wet, was not hiding under that?
Oh, I know a few of them. They were like here drenched, right here. But I know she's...
you really wet?
Yes.
No, you don't. Why you telling me? I don't know if this will fit you, but here you go. Enjoy this. Sorry. Are you wet?
Alfie.
Okay, come. I don't know if this will fit you, but... How old are you? I'm scared. Okay, 18. Anyone above 18 who's really wet? Any group, any family over here who's really wet? Full family? अभी सब रिश्तेदार हो गए, हाँ? पहले अकेले अकेले खड़े थे. अभी now everyone, one big family. One family.
Can we...
Man with 2 wives and 1 daughter. Are you all wet?
I'll figure it out, man.
Any other family? Hello.
All right. Alfie, why are you giving it?
Last count. Okay, come.
Hey, Alfie!
No, coming up. What's your name, family name? Deepak and family. Enjoy this bottle of Launi from Kaskar. All the t-shirts and the bottle from Kaskar. You want more prizes? You have to make some noise.
Your prize is coming in. Ladies and gentlemen, the music is going to now go on the main stage. We hope you are ready to dance. By the way, in Goa, the monsoons are so crazy, we're always rain ready. The stage is rain ready. You've already seen that we're not going to stop. Are you ready to dance some? We're going to be having Goa's best 24K take the stage, and they're going to sizzle it up. Are you ready to dance? Okay, our prizes are coming up. We've got some t-shirts. Any college friends who've come together? Any college friends? Bundle up. College friends,
Himachal.
Which college? Which college? You forgot which college, not allowed. Which college? Goa University, okay.
I just want to
don't look like college.
set the record straight. I got a prize for you, my friend from
BCC?
Himachal.
BCC.
It's a bottle opener. I just want to set the record straight. I'm Goenkar, okay? I'm not from Himachal. Only my cap is from there.
Can we
Okay. Join me for a little countdown. Are you ready? 10, 9, 7, energy, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
To all you lovely people who are right in front of the
तुझीच आठवण तुझी सोबीत सुना चाला तुका जिबेर जायती गोवा गोवा अशें सोरा उडोक cry let's do this once again let's go गोवा गोवा तुझी बेस्ट गोवा गोवा आका तुझी सावा
Thank you so much. That's a great way to start the evening, don't you think? All right. Okay. Boys, how many boys are out? All the goanewS, make some noise! All right, this one's for you. Sing along.
Ready for payment, master. The talent that is over is the
You do this.
You say now. I see
interesting. We are having a competition called Dance with Renee. Are you ready? And Renee will decide the three winners. We have our team in place. We're going to give you vouchers from Mrs. P Ice Cream and also from Goa Fest. Okay, where is our team of volunteers? Okay, not here. Oh, I have your prize here. My friend from Himachal Pradesh. This is for you. Okay, another t-shirt. And one right there, there you go.
All right.
Okay,
We've got
Renee,
yes.
you're the judge.
We've got an announcement to
You're the
make.
judge.
Right on up.
You're watching.
Can we have your attention at that stall there for a minute, just to see, and if you're close by, you can go there. We've got the renowned senior artist M. Narayan, famous for his equestrian painting collection for the Who's Who, and he's going to be going ahead and celebrating the 50 years of Big Boss with a painting right there with the unveiling. Everybody's watching, go for it. While Rene judges you dancing, hello Hottie. Okay, so she is an amazing dancer, and she's gonna watch you. Alright, she's gonna watch you dance it off. Are you ready? This is
He's going to pick 3 winners. 3. Okay? After this song. No, are you ready to do the waltz? Tango? All right. Let's find out. Over to 24K. Here we go.
All right, once again, we want to do something for all the Goenkars in the house. I want to see your best moves, all right? Are you ready? Hey! Just start with the basics, everybody. Just with the basics, all you gotta do. What are they doing?
Those of you who are standing in front, a really big hand to you. Fantastic spirit.
All right? Yes. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time to a rain dance. I love you. That was absolutely fabulous, by the way, dancing there. We are going to try and go ahead and give you more music. We will go ahead and give you more music. That was fun, people. Okay, all you need to take care of is your electronics. There are like lakhs worth of cameras around, digital equipment around. We're looking after it. You look after your digital equipment. Very important. But you can get wet tonight. It's a rain dance. We're bringing in the monsoons with the Goa Cashew Fest 2025. Yes, we're going to have more music tonight for sure.
You know, some people are thinking we are dancing, it is wet, we are getting wet with the sweat. Now we stand in the rain, we feel cool and we'll dance. Right? The
Yeah.
good old days, man.
Like good old
Almost said Viva Sanjo.
We're bringing in the monsoons, ladies and gentlemen. You are here and we are here. So let me ask the sound people, is it possible to play any music like DJ sound? Is that possible from the background? Yes, no? Can we play some DJ sound from the background? DJ James in the house? Is that possible?
I think the main system is covered. The main
Oh, okay. All right. 24K in here with on stage. I like the fact that you've got chairs up in your head. Good idea. For all of you